What's up, superstars? We're at Motorcycle Live 2019 bikes. Let's get it in. KTM, you know my favorites. Here we are. I'll show you guys around again, and yeah, we'll figure it all out. Let's get some focus on this. You know, we'll figure it out, superstars. Stick with me. Check the bikes and the honeys. You know how we roll. Oh, look at this SMC. Beautiful. Lovely. Oh, you know. You know. Popping those wheelies. Popping those wheelies. Rap rap. Living on the back wheel. Oh, that's so nice. So nice. 1290 Super Adventure. It's a bit of a monster. I ain't gonna lie. It's a bit of a monster. Big boy stuff. Big boy stuff. Check the TFT display. Oh my. Hello. It's a bit of a cockpit. Oh, they could have done this monster with the under-seat exhaust. Oh man. It's so nice. But that concept with underneath exhaust, everyone misses that. That's the ultimate fail. It looks really nice. Great if you want to get into biking, I suppose. Okay, so this is how you do it right then. This has obviously got all the power parts and stuff on it. Nice exhaust, wow. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's how you would do it. That is how you would do it. Titanium exhaust, must be. Yeah. Sweet, huh? Really nice. Our monster. Oh, mate. Too nice. Too nice. Superstar stuff. Actual superstar stuff. What? Lovely stuff. You guys know an ultimate KTM fanboy, you know how we do it. This is the best stand, let's love it. The orange, all the bits. Bikes are race ready, you know how you do it. Beautiful bikes, beautiful. Oh, the white. Too nice. Too nice. Displays are sweet. Simplistic. Oh, too nice, man. Man. Oh, feels beautiful. Machine. They're nesting about in this monster. Got a bit of the carbon, you know how we do. Put on this thing, I'm going to need the seat, this race seat, this piece of tiny foam. It's the only way I can touch the floor. So here's this adventure, guys, it is larger than you think, obviously with the extra fuel capacity and stuff like that. So you got these little, let's try and see if I can get some colour into you, so you can see these. There we go. Yeah, these things are quite large. It's a 790 engine, but it looks big, it looks huge. Let me try and jump on it, see how high this thing is. Wow, okay, yeah, that's extremely high. It's got your nice display. It's nice. Let me go from another angle, try and show you the size of this thing. Because this thing's massive. Sorry. It's hard to give you the scale of the front of the side, the size of the front of the side. Very nice bike. Very nice looking bike. Parts galore. Those look nice. Yeah, it's all really wide in the front, but I mean, you would expect that from the style of the bike. I just couldn't quite comprehend the size of it, being a 790. Just couldn't comprehend it. It's large. There you go. What is that? The adventure bike experience. I like it. Let's get on that. Okay, so yeah, these are fuel tanks. So this is to extend the range and stuff. That's what's giving you that long, long range. Just trying to get you a better picture of the scale of this thing, because it's thick. It is thick. The seat's not not comfy in that, but I don't know if you spend much. I don't do any adventure riding, but I doubt you spend much time in the seat. So yeah, like I said, jumped on it. It's just really high, but with regards to, you know, I don't ride the style of bike, and yeah, don't go bench stuff. I suppose you do most of it maybe standing and stuff, but the seat isn't extremely comfortable. I mean, I'm not lying, the Super Duke was more comfortable than that. Just thinner around between my legs and stuff, so yeah. The bike's just insane. Let's look at the scramblers. Oh my life, check at these things. This is the thing, at KTM just do it right. You can just get by these things, jump on a track, and you're laughing. You're away. No messing about. Don't have to buy extra parts. You can, but they're pretty much race ready. That's what they've always prided themselves on. Pretty much what BMW are of the sports bike world. Pretty serious suspension. Just serious bikes all around. Yeah, there's the electric, we'll have a look at that. Yeah, looking sweet. Really, really nice stuff. It's the orange though, that's how we do it. Here's the electric. Oh man, need to jump on one of those. Pure power, loving it. It's the way it's all going to go, superstars. It's the way it's all going to go. Nice, so thin. Yeah, so thin, insane. Insane how thin this is. Loving it. Honestly guys, you gotta come check this stand out. I mean, this will sell you on a KTM all day. Just do it right. Beautiful bikes speak for themselves. Speak for themselves. Little 250. You know, is that dual tailpipe action? Oh yeah. You know, let's get the lighting right here. Let's get that orange pop in. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, the Huskies. Beautiful bikes as well. Pretty much KTMs, but just lovely bikes. Don't know about that exhaust though. What the hell are you doing there, bro? Poking out like that? It's kicking off. Yeah, it looks nice. Nice profile. Sorry, dude. Beautiful looking thing. Nice. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that. But nice. Your modern retro funky styling. It's pretty cool. Let's jump on it. It's nice and low. You know how we roll. Easy. What are these, bro? Cup holders or something. It's nice, funky. It's just different. Different. Really nice, ergonomic. This is it. Beautiful, like modern retro, beautiful starter bike. Like I said, the ergonomics on these things are lovely. It's a Marmite thing, right? The styling. I think it's nice. It's pretty cool. They're really, really nice. Little star on the little 50. Love it. So cute. Cute little thing, man. Oh, it's wicked. Check it out. Oh man. Nice. I like the way they do it in like the sizes. It's pretty sweet. So you go double P suspension, adjustable. Let's have a look. Yeah. Nice. Beautiful, huh? I was trying to describe this. It's little things like this, like I noticed, because I'm pretty gangster like that. Look at the finish on that. That's a bit weird. It's a bit like lumpy and stuff. I'm not impressed with that. But yeah, generally the bike's beautiful. Beautiful. So nice. Suzuki-chan, my baby. You know how you roll. Gonna get this 1000 though. Oh man. Nice, huh? Really nice. Be leaving people behind, top end. Leaving people behind. Jixers with that raw power. Raw power. Love it. TR750. Nice. Shiny. Oh, sucker for the dual headlight. Old school. Hype's about with the Suzuki stance. This is the old school katana, and everyone's raving about the new one. We'll go have a look at that in a sec. But here's the old beast. That's all the hype's about, superstars. Race spec. You know. They're rocking those Brembos. You know how it is. It's pretty cool to that Marmite though. You know you're going to be taking that hugger off the back of that tyre though. Because that's that next level bullshit. Give this guy some beauty shots in. It's kicking off, bro. Jump off. Yeah, you know. Bet you it's going to be comfortable. Let's jump on it and see what's kicking off. Katana, just in case you didn't know. Come on, man. Turn the displays on, superstars. I need to see what that looks like. When you want to cruise in comfort and still have that power. It doesn't look like it's going to be great for the passenger's booty. Nice. She looks sweet. So you can get into biking. It's not bad. Wow. Looks real nice. It's only a 250 as well. That's sweet. Very nice. Yes, you're a total beginner. You're 125. The UK L plate style. Nice bike as well. Jeez. Tricky looking things, man. They look really cool. GSXR, you know, this is everybody's dream, that and the R1 and stuff. We're rocking the Brembos. You know how it is. Let's have a look. Yep. And this is the raw power. This is that top end speed. Leaving people in the dust. Oh. Ergonomics on these things never disappoint. Never disappoint. Beautiful, comfortable bike. Can't go wrong. It's your one bike for a lifetime. One bike for a lifetime. Bit of braking, serious bit of shocks. The adventure bike's pretty cool. All look pretty similar though. I think it's like I said, I'm not really into my adventure bikes, but these are more like your bang for your buck. I don't know. Yeah, they're just nice machines, but like I say, all look pretty similar. I think they're just showing off the I don't really know some of the tank bag options and stuff like that, but styling wise, yeah, a couple of extra guards and stuff, but yeah, nice. That's pretty cool. Check that. It has a little bit of give in it. That's pretty sweet. That's a cool little design. Yeah, he's got the previous version. Yeah, so everyone's jizzing over this, you know. Does someone want to give Triumph and Norton a shout? Some of their styling. Okay, we got a bit of a crotch shot for that guy there. You know, okay guys, don't worry about it. It's all good. Let's get a little picture for you guys. Yeah, this is like too full. So look, so we've got the trailer's frame. That's pretty cool. Good strength. But BMW does it right. You get everything from standard. It costs a little bit, they're not the cheapest, but you're getting your, like I say, you're getting all your electronics, your quick shifter and everything as standard with the price. Whack on all the other bits like your exhausts and stuff like that, and it'll ramp up. But as a general, you know, what you buy from standard, you'll be sweet for the road. Absolutely sweet. These guys do it right. They do road riding. A KTM does off-road. Just ready for the street, pure power. There's the red one. I don't know which one I would have actually. The white's pretty sweet. Try and get it. It's very, very cool stuff. Nice and thin though. Real thin. Real thin. You got the cash. Nice bike. These things are messing with the size of 600s, I'm not going to lie, for all that power. The R9Ts are sweet. I really like these, I don't know what it is. Really, really nice. But they hold a pretty hefty second-hand value. They do really hold their value. But nice. It's like modern retro. Beautiful. The ergonomics on it too, just sweet. I'm a bit far stretched because I'm short. You know, to get to the handlebars, it is quite lent over. Nice. No issues with clearance and stuff, just really, really nice bike. There we go, so this one's better because you got the bars a little bit, you know, closer to you and stuff. You don't have that little fairing in the front, but like I say, it's just so comfy. So comfy, literally. Chilling. And with the bars here, yeah, it's nice. Easy. I'd recommend it, but like I say, even if you want to go second hand, they keep their value, which is maybe a good thing if you buy it new. So even like with BMW, these R9Ts, they just do a lot of like it's this modern retro, but they all just style them slightly differently. So there's a lot of bikes, different handlebar options and stuff like that. And that's what they seem to all be doing. Maybe the market must be obviously screaming for it. Yeah, it's going to be saturated soon for these in a couple of years. But like I said, it's just loads of R9Ts just with slightly different options. You can see. Try and pan you slowly so you can see everything. Just everything. Some have fairing, some have bars in different positions, some are more raw. I mean, I like that. It's really, really nice. And we got old school. You know. I love those exhausts. That's wicked. That race back. HP4. Bloody hell. This thing ain't no joke. Check the carbon though. Bloody hell. Carbon everywhere. Framed a lot. Superstar stuff. Beautiful. What a machine. I think that thing's gonna rip.
Fitting our baked drinks pieces on our little muddy area.
Beautiful.
Make sure your rings.
So if this dude would jump off that, I'd appreciate it, but he's just there chatting away. You ain't gonna buy this. Okay, so basically if I've had it, these 800s are pretty cool. Nice, easy to handle. Nice starter bike. But this is pretty sweet. I've also looked into one of these as well. Oh, this is very, very nice. Also, ergonomic. BMW just does it right. Totally do it right. Practicality. Check your tank tags on. Probably can't put a tent or anything in there. But you can put your wallet and stuff in there, I reckon. Honestly, the styling on this thing's sweet. Nice sharp edges. It's got a little stinker kicking off it. I like it though, Marmite, but I love it. There we go, tank bags, a practical bike. You can commute on that, surely. And then we've got the race monsters. I think like the old HP2s and stuff, they're fetching also some pretty serious cash second hand on the interwebs at the moment. Pretty serious cash. So it displays you winning all day. Love this. BMW have a pretty massive stand. Tons of bikes. insane. People are loving these adventure bikes. This thing is a monster though. You're not picking this thing up with Forza. I do not know how you control this thing off-road. You have to be seriously capable, right? If it was me on these, I'd be sticking to these 800s all day. Just the size of it, much smaller. Jeez, the 300 over there looks even more my size. These things are massive. We've got the little duckbill there. Loving that. Loving that. Nice looking, but monster. Absolute monster. Huge thing. Right, come on, superstars. This is you guys. You boys now. You boys now. Moped Thieves dream. Getaway vehicles. Love it. You know, doing them skids. I want to see him take that tourer up here. That'd be more impressive than this.
Almost time to go by. We're 5 minutes away, so make sure you get to nice and close to the wall. Please don't leave anything on top of the pit wall. No damage to handbags. And don't let any small children dangle their legs inside the room. Thank you very much.
This thing looks comfortable, but I reckon you need a car parking space for this thing. No joke. Look at the butt on this thing. It's huge. Actual monster. It's a very, very big bike. Bloody hell. These, I know they get no love. They get no love. These things, I bet you they're comfortable. You can pump your tunes out and everything on it. Like speakers and all sorts. There we go, low seat. That would be for me, that. It's the only thing I could probably fit on.
Lock in the direction of the front wheel, take a step forward, and it comes up nicely.
Works on two different heights. Lovely. 249 kilograms. Not a heavy bike at all.
Royal Enfield. True classic. When I look at these, I just see a lot of cleaning after a ride. Check this concept out now, that is beautiful. That caught my eye straight away. Oh my god, make that right now. That thing is insane. That's beautiful. The 125 marker is just awesome. They look like larger bikes now, just not as small as they used to be. They just look so cool. You have to do like a double take. And you're like, oh yeah, it's a 125. I like it in the black and orange. Pretty sweet. That's a 390 anyway. I think this is a 125? Yeah, it is 125. And the power part is where the real money's made. Yeah. That's where you start, well, this is where you start eating into the bank balance. 10 race. Golden headlights. Oh, this is nice. Yeah. We got this other people vlogging. Get out of here, bruh. You know. This thing's sweet. This is gonna sell. This is gonna sell. Let's try and jump on it. It is tall though, bruh. Hello. Oh yeah, that is tall. Sweet screen. I love the styling. I think it's sweet. But that is tall. That is tall. It's so weird when they're on their stands, but that is definitely a tall bike. Those classics though. It's all about the classics. They've got to show you what it looked like before, right? Got to show you what they try to recreate. This is it with all the extras on. The guards, tank bags, all that kind of guff. I don't know though, do you have all these tank bags and stuff? Just wear a backpack, right? Keep the thing nice and light. All about the classics, man. The XT500. Love it. People know about this. There we go, your sort of retro classic style. But this is nice because it's in a modern platform, really. Got your ABS and all those kind of bits. Yeah, you want to like with these modern classics, but you don't want the, you know, classic brakes and stuff. You want everything up to date. MT-09s, absolutely everywhere. Really, really popular. Rocking the Olens. One of the boys I ride with has one of these. He likes it, enjoys it. Nice bike. MT-10 also, nice bike. It's got that styling that not everybody's into, and looks like a low bike. It's actually deceptively high. Well, it's not very high, but this is the problem with these stands. Don't think they let the suspension compress properly in those. I don't know. Nice looking, reasonable bikes. Like between this and the 125, you can't really tell the difference. But nice little starting bikes to learn on. Yeah, I'm not into this thing. That's just weird. So it just like reminds me of being like two scooters. This is what the dreams are made. It's the R1s, bro. Look at it. Just bang, bang, bang. Dream garage right there. Let's wait, some 600s probably dotted down there. Oh, lovely. So nice. So here's the R1. Lovely, but like you say, there's some heavy weight on your wrists and stuff on this, but just beautiful bike, so slim. I think the 600's next to it. Is it? Lovely, yeah? I love this blue color out there. So similar though. That's a 300. Honestly, it looks so similar. It's crazy. Beautiful. I mean, look at that. That's a 125 Superstar. It looks wicked, man. Starting out riding and you're riding this. We didn't have cool stuff like this. Oh, brap. Those wheelies though. $65. Sweet, huh? Beautiful bike. You just need this. You don't need anything else. Chuck it in the back of the van. You are ripping all day long. You don't have to mess about. Rebuild the engine every once in a while. Ah, beautiful, man. So slim. Absolutely lovely. One of the Yamahas fetch a higher price, but just beautiful bike. Everyone started on a PW50. Everybody. You don't road till you get on the PW50. For a cruiser though. Oh, and these guys do it just right. Them in Indian. Oh. Customer service here and stuff though is insane. Like, you gotta be careful. I've got to keep walking fast because if they stop me in here, I'll end up buying one. Yeah. Just got to keep away from the sales reps because they do it right here. Super naked, stylish, you know. Was this your V-Rod? V-Rod replacement? I don't know. Nice though. Looks monstrous, I ain't gonna lie. Looks like a monster. We'll get that ugly exhaust off because that exhaust is looking dirty. But that is nice. Bet you that thing rips. Absolutely rips. Let's jump on it. See how comfortable it is. Oh mate. It's a little bit, I'm a little bit lent. A little bit bored, but yeah, it's nice. Comfy. You know, beautiful. Sweet. This thing's a monster, but oh my lord. Hello. Bro, chicks be getting moist, bro. You know. Oh, next level. But you know, you partying with some big paper for this monster right here. Even second hand. It's big paper. But beautiful, so slick. Oh my god. They just do cruises right. Beautiful. Oh. Guys, just do me a favor, don't sit on these, because if you do, you'll see what the hype's all about. These things are like, it's like a cushion. I don't like these. You gotta go mid controls. Can't rock that. But this, riding through this world, you know. Oh, mate. That is in that silver. That's monstrous. It's a huge bike, but check that out. You got the chicks in the back. They're loving it. They're nice and comfortable. Oh, mate. This is superstar stuff. So comfortable. Check it out. Big paper, but what a monster. Shine. I do like this. Oh, maybe this is me. So good though. Don't know about this color option though. Oh, mate. This fairing though. So sick. Paint's insane. It is insane. I love it from the back though, it looks so slick. You ain't leaning this thing over, I ain't gonna lie. So, fuel station bikes. Is that peanut tank, that ain't, you're not going very far on that. When you buy this, you're Googling, you know, how to put a bigger tank on. That's your first Google. Got the DJ pumping the tunes, he's rocking it, he's mixing, don't mess about. Putting in that work. Guys, honestly, the stand's just rocking. Love it. Classics. Nice and shiny. Too much shiny. Oh, mate. Love it. Mate, that is so sick. So sick. That mustard, it worked. It worked. There you go. Where's your helmet, bruh? Fat Bob on that bad boy stuff. This is the bad boy. That is sweet. Just jump on it, nice and comfy. Probably can't hear a thing. This dude's revving a bike on the stand. Stuff's irritating. Guys didn't know how to ride, pushing the hooter like a legend. Come on, bruh, get off. The colour's nice. I like the contrast of that. Well, I can't do these like foot pads. You have to go mid controls. These are sweet. So comfortable. So, oh, the duck. The duck. Beautiful. The wheelie machine. Pop, pop. You know we pop those wheelies. Oh, sorry, dude, sorry. They're popping those wheelies. I just bumped this guy. Like he's got those hand guards on there. Didn't injure him. People getting emotional. Catty, beautiful bikes. Beautiful. Big old 5.9. Beautiful.
Well, I've also seen the monster over there. I like that. 797.
Use the heat shield and that dual exhaust is sweet on that duck. Oh, I'm a sucker for a dual tailpipe though. Sucker for dual. Oh. Look at that colour, nice. Beautiful paint job. Exhaust just looks sweet. They're rocking those Brembos. This is that bad boy shit. This is that bad boy shit. Check the paint on that. Check that out. Mate, that's a dream bike right there. Single-sided swing arm. It's that monster stuff. Sorry, dude. That booty shot there. Mate, that is sick. Beautiful bike. Absolutely beautiful. Jump off, bruh. Jump off, bruh. About 10, bro, yeah, no. Just jump off, bro. Oh, nah. No. Eat that. The problems with these things, you're not getting, people just keep sitting on these damn things. I want to get some pictures of the bike. So good. Let's get a little picture. Oh, okay, maybe not. Oh, it's bike's bad boy. Let's have a look at the cockpit. Somebody's buggered up that cable. Mate, you got those Olins, you know. V4S. Paint scheme is sweet. Set you back a pretty penny though, I ain't gonna lie. It's gonna cost a couple of quid. Nice one. We'll break that. Monster's so comfortable. Such nice bikes. Nice, huh? Pretty cool. Nice colour scheme. Oh, that red though. I don't know about that tank bag. That tank bag can get lost. That's a bit of a monster. Super Sport S, nice. Rocking those Olins. Nice bike. A little bit more ergonomic. Nice to ride. Oh, the silver's nice. Greyish silver, it's beautiful. Sorry. That's right, dude, don't worry about it. Oh, you got this dual. I told you I'm a sucker for a dual tail bar. Total sucker for a dual tail bar. That's nice. This is the thing, you can cruise on these. You go for the Sunday rides, that'll be nice. You get a bit of performance, comfortable. There's the 1100 Scrambler. Nice, comfy, commuter, modern, retro, classic, whatever the hell you want to call these things. But with proper brakes, got the Brembos. You know we roll. Nice exhaust. Oh, it's beautiful, nice and shiny. Lovely.
Yeah, that's what I'll tell you, I'm going to get one of these.
Shoey swag, you know we roll. Got us our water fresh from Japan. Nice guys, pretty sweet. Yeah, that's how you do. Get that swag out there. People love the swag. Nice. So, I don't know. I like this bike, but I'm thinking. I think this front end looks a little bit like the BMW. I was saying that a while ago. I don't know. What do you think? Maybe it's just me. I mean, everything will start looking very similar with aerodynamics and stuff like that. I mean, you can only style things so differently. Same like music. It'll all eventually end up sounding the same. Olins in there. Fully adjustable, you know. Looks nice. Nice paint job. Very, very nice. Sucker for that matte paint. Triumph, killing it. There we go. You know you gotta go Tiger style. Popular Triumphs in the UK. Very popular. These people are smashing it. Whilst paint's popping, it's probably not doing it justice in my video. It's beautiful. Nice, nice paint. Paint's shining so much it's messing with the lights on the camera. Nice. You got the drive shaft there, so the maintenance is low. For you guys who don't know how to adjust your chains. shiny, got those carbon, got the huggers. No rear seats, so you don't have to take any of the honeys on the back. So you're going to be riding solo, Han style. They're beautiful. They're doing the gills right here on the stand. Pretty ones. That's how you sell bikes. Come on guys, I've told you. Get the honeys involved. Guys will be buying motorbikes. 125s. Beautiful to be a first time rider now. Look at this. It's a 125 man, it's a starter's bike. Spoiled for choice. Absolutely wicked. Here's another one. Look at that. Honestly, as a 125. These things are going to sell like hotcakes. Insane. Nice, ergonomic, comfy, got a bit of performance. Z's. The Z's. ZZR. That's all. Z1000. Sweet. Looks so nice with those dual Acra exhausts. What do we got? Rocking Olands as well? Yeah. Got the Olands. Got the dual Acras. Beautiful looking bike. Such a nice looking bike. I love the colours. Those dual Acras, insane. It looks gorgeous. H2SX. For those boys who want that top end, but they need that practicality. Really got to drag the honey along. You know, got a popper on the back. Put it in speed, in style. Yeah, these are very nice. Feel really, really good. Comfy look, comfy. Fast. These things are fast. Yeah, when you think you're going fast, the dude passes you like you're standing still. Yeah, get past one of these and then you'll see. I just love the chatter of that supercharger though. Absolutely insane. The chatter is just gorgeous. 3.6, check the styling out, sharpened up the front a little bit. A little bit H2-esque. Yeah, nice, yeah? Beautiful. Really like that. Reinvigorate the 600 marker with just that styling, you know. Boys loving the H2. Oh. That is just gorgeous. Sucker for a Ninja. One of my friends has the older version, and then there's another one has the newer. They're just beautiful bikes, honestly. Sucker for them. Gorgeous. As you can see, check these retards jumping on it with their zips. Scratch the shit out of it. Scratch the actual shit out of it. Beautiful bike, just scratched. Scratched to bits. Lovely. But honestly, yeah, the chatter on the supercharger is insane. Been passed by one, thought I was going fast. Yeah, and I just heard that supercharger and I was like, yeah, great. See you later, mate. Beautiful bikes though. Oh, sucker for the green. Beautiful. Oh, you gotta go full green, haven't you? The thing is though, is like, the performance ones are like different paint schemes and stuff. I just wish they made it like just full green with all the performance parts on. Beautiful bike. That's it. Beautiful. Kawasaki. Off-road offerings. Oh, this Africa Twin looks gorgeous in this paint. Oh my gosh, that is something. Oh, it's hard to describe, it's really, really cool. It's like a flat sort of finish. It just looks wicked. Lovely. Yeah, I've looked into these exhausts and it's about $1,000 and a bit from there, so from like catback, I think it's around $1,000 and a bit, and then depending on what you want to do with the exhaust tips, the price changes. But that dual exhaust, oh, mate, if you got a Super Duke and you don't have one of those on, why not? Why not? I haven't seen many of them with them. I know they are like extremely loud, And you know, pops and bangs and those flames come up. So if you've got a pillion there, their booty's getting cooked. Superstars. We just saw it. They've done it. They've got near enough. We've got 2 dual exhausts at the back of the 790. Guys, buy. You need one of these. It's just fun. Austin raced it. They've done it right. They fixed it. They fixed it. Here we go. Okay, no, he's going to mount it. Okay. Yeah, the colour scheme on this is pretty sick. Like I said, that dark one is lovely as well. But yeah, his bike's popular. Laning. Bit of on off-road. Got our lights, got our indicators. A little bit of adventure riding. 250. That looks nice. It's pretty sweet. I like an actuator. Getting a nice little lean angle there. Sweet. Oh, he's going over. That's pretty cool. That's cool. 1,000 or so. That's cool, don't worry about it. That's nice. Oh, not that guy though. We're getting very full now, guys. Sorry. Mostly people on the bikes now. A little bit of suede. Is that a Swedish sheet or what type of leather that is? With their ergonomic. This Honda does alright. The SP2. Loving it. Also rocking those Olins. Beautiful bike. Don't jump on it yet, bruh. Oh, nah. Bro, come on now. Gotta rub that belly on the tank, you know how we do. 650R's looking nice. Looking slick. Tighten up that front end a little bit, look even better. Ah, beautiful. Blaze. Also ergonomic. You know you're buying in black, you know you're buying in this colour. Looks the best and it's so slick. Wow. Oh, definitely the sickest colour. Definitely the best colour. This is the colour you need. When you got to prove it's practical. You need that proof though. Comfortable bike. This is where people are missing a trick. Fantic's on it. When you can sell a bicycle for the same price as a motorbike for 6 grand, you know, who's the fool, bro? Who's the fool? Fantics though. Do you remember the old scramblers and stuff? I know somebody did one up. Really nice specimen, but yeah, beautiful. Nice. What's this all about, Fuchsia? What is that all about? Never seen that. Different. And a scooter. And a scooter. Cafe Racer 300. Check those gills though. Sweet. That is sick. That is fire. Stepped at someone. So got the Acra exhaust. Those gills look. It's all about those gills. That's so sick. Oh, the hammerhead. That's what we should call that. The hammerhead. It looks like a hammerhead shark. Loving it. And you know you got to get that carbon when you got too much paper to block. There's carbon everywhere. Literally. So thin as well. What most people can afford. health having a resurgence. Beautiful looking bikes, sleek. Rocking out. How cool does that look? That looks slick. Oh, that's what you'd have. Blacked out. Everyone trying to get involved in that super naked. It's nice though. That is nice. Pan over to it. It's nice. Very nice. Servicing going on. So he's doing a custom t-shirt there, airbrushing. Do you have a Facebook or anything, dude?
Instagram.
Instagram? What's your Instagram?
Dark art airbrushing.
What is it again, say?
Dark art airbrushing.
Cool. There you go, boys. Go and have a look. Do you just airbrush t-shirts or do you do helmets and stuff?
Helmets, a lot.
Okay.
Anything, but it's anything.
And where are you based? Birmingham?
Yeah, Birmingham. Yeah.
Cool, cool.
Yeah, that's one of my cards.
Oh, sweet. There we go. Love it. Let me take one, bro. There you go. So they get your focus on there.
How do you got Bryce number? Oh, I'll give you a ring 979.
Check the asphalt. Okay, superstars, we've done it again, another year. You've got to make it down. What else happened to me this time? Okay, so look, the ticket price, I lost out a little bit. It was like $19.50, and then I left it till the weekend and I had to pay 25 quid, so that'll cost a bit more. A lot quieter than last time. Get that legend out. Yeah, a lot quieter this year, but yeah. Come down, guys, get a look at all the new bikes, new kits. Yeah, it's definitely worth it. Trying all the helmets and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, until next year, superstars.